how to fix Telegram app problem. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix it easily and fast. So all what you wanna do is go to the settings, open the apps. When you go to the apps on this page, you're gonna find all the apps that you have in your phone. Scroll until you find Telegram, click on it. Click on Telegram and force stop the app from here, and then go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, go back again, and this time click on storage, click on clear cache, go back again, click on power usage details, make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled, go back into the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and after 6 seconds just disable it. That's it guys, very easy and simple as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe.